Hi guys, my name is Jacqueline Lopez Crisp, and for this assignment, I looked at augmented reality. So first, what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a result of using technology to superimpose information such as sounds, images, and texts on the world that we see. This is different from virtual reality because virtual reality means computer-generated environments for you to interact with and be immersed in. While augmented reality, also known as AR, adds to the reality you would ordinarily see rather than replacing it. In other words, augmented reality refers to the combination of real and virtual or computer-generated worlds. Given a real subject captured on video or camera, the technology augments or adds to that real-world image using extra layers of digital information. Some examples of augmented reality games are Pokemon Go and Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery. So, in Pokemon Go, the game allowed users to see Pokemon characters around their town. The goal was to capture these characters and then use them to battle others in local AR gyms. Another example is from 2018 when Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery became a mobile AR game. This game let users see Hogwarts in the world around them while having the ability to cast spells, use potions, and to learn from Hogwarts teachers. So, how can we use augmented reality in education? First, using augmented reality in the classrooms can turn a regular class or lesson into an engaging experience. AR technology provides virtual examples and adds gaming elements to support textbook materials that the students had just learned about. As a result, classes become more interactive and engaging. AR helps students remember the information they've just learned better. Here are some examples of augmented reality in the classrooms. First, I'm going to show a short clip of actual augmented reality being used in the classroom.
Before we begin, talk to each other and see if you can come up with how many days it takes for the moon to orbit the Earth.
I'm going to step off the limb now. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So as you can see, that app, it brought the solar system or parts of the world to this student's classrooms. Another example is Google Expeditions. It kind of works like that video showed. So Google Expeditions provides both VR and AR tours that let teachers use augmented reality in education. With AR technology and mobile devices, students can bring 3D objects into the classroom, then walk around and explore them. Some objects that students can explore are tornadoes, volcanoes, or even DNA. Google Expedition covers almost all subjects and has more than 100 AR expeditions. It moves students through the history of technology or the moon landing. Another app is Dinosaurs 4D Plus. So this is an AR app and it also has a set of flashcards about paleontology. Students can scan flashcards to see 3D dinosaurs, and then with Dinosaurs 4D Plus, students can see the dinosaurs in action, they can rotate them, they can zoom in and out and see different parts of the dinosaur. The app also gives some information about each dinosaur. The next AR app is called Elements 4D. So this app is great for studying chemistry. It allows students to combine different elements as a stimulation to see how they would react in reality. The students scan special codes that are printed on each of the cards of the elements, and then they can use these codes to learn more about that element or see how two elements would react together. Another AR app is Google Translate, but in AR mode. So, like you can see in the picture, the student holds up the app to a word that they don't know in another language, or they do know and they're just testing themselves, and they're able to see the translation. This is great for students that are studying a different language, that are tourists, or using the app to navigate around a city abroad. Despite the rising use of augmented reality in many areas of today's modern world, augmented reality in education is still very new. Though possibilities of AR in teaching and studying are great, there are still many apps to create that would benefit our students. Teachers can use augmented reality to really engage the students and keep their attention, motivate their students, and also help their students get new tools to visualize their subjects and complex concepts. So this is augmented reality and how it's used in education. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.